Unlock the secrets to capturing stunningly sharp and detailed dental images with your Nikon Z30, no matter your experience level in the dental field. Navigating the world of lenses for your Nikon Z30 can feel overwhelming when you're aiming for that perfect dental shot, but today we're breaking down your best options. First, let's talk macro. Because detail is king in dental photography, the Nikon Z30 105mm f/28V RS lens is the reigning champion for Nikon Z users, and especially for the Z30. Its 105mm focal length gives you incredible working distance, meaning you can get super close to capture even the smallest dental nuances without scaring your patient or casting unwanted shadows with your camera. This lens boasts exceptional sharpness, chromatic aberration control, and beautiful bokeh, ensuring your subjects pop and your images are free from distracting color fringing. What about its vibration reduction? Essential for handheld shots, it helps keep your images crisp, even when you're not using a tripod. While other lenses like a 50mm or 35mm prime might seem tempting for general use, they simply don't offer the magnification and close focusing capabilities required for true dental detail. So, for the ultimate in dental photography with your Nikon Z30, the Nikon Z30 105mm f/28V RS lens is your clear winner. Invest in this lens and elevate your clinical documentation and patient communication to a whole new level.